Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0326 indicates a malfunction related to the knock sensor in the Honda CRV models from 2017 to 2022. This specific diagnostic trouble code, DTC, falls under the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, and affects the engine's performance and efficiency. The knock sensor, located on the engine block, monitors for engine knocking or pinging caused by premature fuel ignition. This data is crucial for the Engine Control Unit, ECU, to adjust the ignition timing for optimal performance. If a malfunction is detected, the engine may run inefficiently and cause emissions issues. Understanding this code is essential for effective troubleshooting and repair. The knock sensor's primary function is to detect engine knocking, which can lead to decreased performance and possible engine damage. Located on the engine block, specifically in a place where it can effectively listen for vibrations, the sensor plays a critical role in sensing abnormal combustion events. When it detects a knock, it sends a signal to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, to adjust ignition timing accordingly. This helps protect the engine from damage and improves performance. If the PCM determines that the sensor is malfunctioning, it will set the P0326 code and trigger the check engine light. Addressing this malfunction is essential for maintaining engine health and performance. Several possible causes may trigger DTC P0326. A faulty knock sensor is often the main reason, where the sensor either short circuits or fails to detect knocking. If the sensor is improperly installed, it may not function correctly, leading to erroneous readings. Wiring issues, such as frayed wires or poor connections between the sensor and the PCM, can also cause communication failures. Intermittent connections might allow temporary functioning, complicating diagnosis. Lastly, software glitches in the PCM can falsely trigger this code, although these cases are less common. Identifying the root cause is vital for effective resolution. Symptoms of DTC P0326 can vary, but commonly include triggering the check engine light on the dashboard. Driver experience might include poor acceleration and a noticeable decrease in engine performance, as the PCM may limit power to prevent engine damage. This reduced power may make the vehicle feel sluggish during normal driving conditions. Increased emissions can also be a symptom, as improper ignition timing may lead to incomplete combustion. Drivers might experience an engine that runs rough or stalls, particularly under load. Recognizing these symptoms can aid in early diagnosis and pinpointing the issue at hand. In the first step of troubleshooting, begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This allows the onboard systems to power up and communicate with the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. After that, proceed by clearing the DTC using the HDS. This is crucial for resetting the onboard system so that it can reevaluate the current status without prior faults affecting the results. Next, start the engine and maintain a speed of 3,000 RPM without load, which means the vehicle should be in park, P, or neutral, N. It's important to hold this RPM until the radiator fan kicks on, indicating the engine has reached a sufficient operating temperature. Afterward, lower the engine speed to 2,000 RPM and maintain it for at least 5 seconds. Following these actions, check the HDS for any confirmed or pending DTCs, specifically looking for P0326 again. In the second step of troubleshooting, verify that the knock sensor is installed correctly. A proper installation is essential, as an incorrectly positioned sensor can lead to false readings and trigger the P0326 code. If the sensor is secure and correctly aligned, conclude that the installation is satisfactory. However, If issues are found with the installation, it will need to be reinstalled properly to ensure accurate sensor readings. In cases where the installation is correct, but the DTC persists, it may indicate that the knock sensor itself is faulty and requires replacement. Determining the installation status allows for a streamlined approach to resolving the issue at hand. After conducting repairs based on the diagnostic steps, it is critical to perform a final repair verification. This involves running a function test to ensure that the replaced or repaired components are working as intended. Clear any existing DTCs once more using the HDS to allow the system to reevaluate its operation after the repair. Finally, monitor engine performance while driving the vehicle to ensure no further issues arise. Keep an eye out for any returning symptoms or DTCs, especially P0326. A successful verification means the concern has been successfully addressed, restoring the vehicle's performance and reliability. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P0326, implementing preventive maintenance measures is essential. Regularly checking the knock sensor and ensuring it is installed correctly can help catch issues before they lead to trouble. Regular inspections of wiring connections that lead to the knock sensor and PCM can prevent signal transmission problems caused by wear or corrosion. Additionally, routine updates for the PCM software are crucial as they can improve performance and fix known bugs. Ensuring that the engine is tuned and maintained can also help optimize performance, reducing strain on the knock sensor. By taking these steps, owners can greatly reduce the chances of encountering this error again. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0326 and its implications is crucial for maintaining the Honda CR-V's performance from 2017 to 2022. Identifying symptoms early, such as a check engine light or poor engine performance, can lead to quicker resolutions. Following the structured troubleshooting steps ensures thorough examination and repair of the knock sensor system, ultimately leading to restored vehicle reliability. Preventive measures can aid in reducing future occurrences of this DTC, ensuring long-term performance. Always consult the Honda diagnostic system for accurate diagnostics and follow proper repair practices. Addressing DTC P0326 promptly can lead to significant improvements in engine functioning and longevity. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.